Please like, subscribe and share for more videos. I was really happy to get a new job as a teacher in Mistwood City, especially at the best school in the city. People started calling me Professor Aidan Jones, and that made me feel great. When the summer break started, I decided to explore the city and hear about Mistwood Beach, so I planned to visit it early in the morning. I wore casual clothes and went to the beach, and it wasn't crowded, which I liked. While I was there, I noticed a girl sitting on a bench and crying. She was wearing a hoodie, and I was curious about what was going on. I sat next to her and asked if everything was okay. The girl, named Ramona, seemed upset, and her hoodie covered her face with tears. I also saw soil on her fingers, which made me curious. Despite trying to comfort her, Ramona didn't want to tell me why she was sad. I couldn't stop thinking about the mystery, so I decided to go back to the beach the next morning. Luckily, I found Ramona again in the same spot, wearing the same hoodie. She was crying while looking at the sea. I wanted to comfort her, but I hesitated. The next morning, I approached her with determination, and she opened up about losing someone dear to her. Ramona was thankful for my support, and we had a pleasant conversation as we walked to her apartment. Despite her initial sadness, we said goodbye with smiles. Unexpectedly, she kissed me on the cheeks, leaving me surprised. Thinking about my growing feelings for her, I wondered about Ramona's past and why she was hesitant before. Our beach meetings continued, and we grew closer. Ramona didn't talk much about her loss. I met her landlady, who told me about Ramona's morning routine. Curious, I followed her and discovered a heartbreaking truth. Ramona accidentally caused her sister Eva's death. Ramona confessed to wearing Eva's hoodie, visiting the cemetery every day, and writing letters expressing her remorse. I understood her guilt, but the absence of Eva's name on the grave puzzled me. In a surprising twist, Ramona and I found out that Eva was actually alive. Ramona was shocked to learn that Eva had been on her honeymoon during the incident, shaking their relationship to its core. Filled with guilt, Ramona left the city without telling me, thinking it was best for both of us. Despite the pain, I decided to give her a second chance, and our relationship evolved. As we spent more time together, I became determined to propose to her, recognizing the genuine love that had developed between us.